Hello everybody, Walters954 here. In this video, I'll be going over the Admin Certification Maintenance Winter 2020. So it's 2020, bringing in the new year, and this hands-on is about the compliance categorization and data classification that you can add into Salesforce fields. So I'm fairly certain you can do this on any field. And just take a look at it really quickly. Let's go ahead and put one of these data classifications on a field. So let's choose, I don't know, a date field. This one looks good. And we'll hit edit. And some of you may have already seen these, but here are the different classifications. So let's say you have like PII, personally identifiable information, and you want to identify that and categorize that field as such. So you can do that here, and there's also these data sensitivities that you can put on your different fields. So this is a really neat new feature that, or I guess it may not be super new, but this is something that's really important to a lot of EU customers collecting that information, and medical as well. You have HIPAA types of information that are coming through. Also, if you want to change those categories, let's say your country has a different type of classification. I don't know any off the top of my head, but hey, if you have them, you can also go to the data classifications in the setup and add them in here. So editing the pick list values, doing some types of uploads. I personally haven't worked too much with this, but this is something that is important to a lot of organizations. And so if you are looking to complete the hands-on challenge, you can go ahead and pick any new email, phone, and birthday field and add the different compliance categories to them. Another thing that they just want to mention here really quickly is that you need to, it's recommended that you create a new trailhead org. I actually did not. This org's probably a year, I would say at least 6 months old, and it worked out fine with that one, but you may get different mileage, so just go ahead and create a new trailhead playground if you are running into any trouble. So that's it. I'm Walters954. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any tips for improvement or you would like to see me go over something for you.